Don't just open a savings account. Open the right one. Most people make this one huge mistake. They go to a bank, open a random savings account, deposit some money, and then completely forget about it. But what if I told you that your simple savings account could give you insurance up to 2.5 crore rupees, plus free healthcare, and benefits worth thousands, without you having to do anything extra? We often treat our bank accounts like simple storage boxes. We put money in, we take money out. That's it. But here's the thing. Banks have evolved much faster than most of us realize. Banking in 2026 isn't just about storing cash. It's about getting a whole bundle of benefits. We're talking insurance, health perks, credit card advantages, and of course, interest, all packed into one simple savings account. The problem is, only a handful of people actually know how to use these features. Let's start with the big one, insurance. Certain banks now provide accidental death and life cover of up to 2.5 crores just for maintaining an active account. No complicated paperwork, no medical tests. But, and this is a big but, there's a catch. If you do unswipe your debit card a certain number of times or fail to maintain the minimum balance, that insurance cover could lapse without you even knowing it. Most people are unaware of this, so they silently lose out on massive benefits. Now for the second benefit, health. Many accounts now offer free telehealth consultations with doctors, discounts on health checkups, and even benefits at pharmacies. Some premium accounts might even include free doctor visits and emergency medical coverage. Why are banks doing this? Because they've realized that your health and your finances are deeply connected, especially after the recent cycles of pandemics and recessions. But let's be clear, banks aren't running a charity. They're being strategic. When they offer you insurance and healthcare perks, they increase customer retention. It encourages you to use your debit card more, deposit your salary with them, and maybe even sign up for their wealth management services. So you get valuable benefits, and they get more business. It's a win-win situation. And no, these perks aren't always just for premium high net worth customers. Some of these features are available at zero cost even with basic accounts. Others are bundled into specific account types, like salary accounts, privileged savings accounts, or priority banking for frequent travelers and NRIs. This matters more than ever as we head towards 2026. India's financial reality is changing fast. Medical inflation is through the roof. Term insurance costs are rising. And out-of-pocket healthcare spending is a huge burden for many families. If your bank account can give you accidental cover, life insurance, and access to telemedicine, it immediately reduces your financial risk without costing you extra. But this is where most people go wrong. They open an account and then they never activate the debit card, or they let the balance drop to zero. They don't read the terms and conditions for the insurance. They never try to claim the benefits, and they don't check the expiry conditions. Then, when an emergency happens, they find out their benefits aren't even active. So, the next time you open a bank account, don't just look at the interest rate. You need to check the entire package. What's the insurance coverage? What are the health benefits? Is there an FD sweep-in facility to earn more? What are the debit card offers? What's the minimum balance requirement, the ATM charges, and the UPI limits? How good is their customer service? Most people only check the interest rate and ignore everything else. Who absolutely needs to look into this? Students who don't have insurance yet, freelancers who don't get corporate benefits, people starting a new job who haven't bought a term plan, frequent travelers who face higher accidental risks, and small families who need that emergency care buffer. For all these people, a bundled bank account makes perfect financial sense. So please, don't just park your money in a random bank account. Park it in an account that actively protects your health, your family, and your future. Because the right bank account isn't just a place for storage, it's your financial armor. If you're interested, I can break down the best Indian bank accounts that offer these perks in 2026. Just comment comparison below, and I'll make that video for you. Thanks for watching.